Ready, everybody? Why do we eat? Food keeps us healthy and strong. That's right. Why do we eat? It helps us feel good and get along. What do we eat? Well, we need to mix it up. That's right. What do we eat? We need to eat in moderation. What's that? It means not too much of just one thing. When we balance our plates, our tummies will sing. La 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 la. Let's learn the food groups. La 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 la. Let's see what food can do. First we have veggies. They should take up half our plate. With so many to choose from, that can make us feel great. Then we have fruits, so colorful and sweet. They come from the ground and from the trees. Isn't that neat? Now we add our grains to a corner of our plate. Like rice or bread or pasta, so many combinations to create. La 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 la. Let's learn the food groups. La 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 la. Let's see what food can do. Next we have our protein, like nuts or eggs or meat. They help build our muscles, so there's no challenge we can't meet. Last we have dairy, gives us calcium and vitamin D. It's things like milk and cheese and yogurt, and in moderation ice cream. La 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 la. Now we know the food groups. La 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 la. We see what food